I am Nik Toth, the Lean Body Coach. I'm here in Thailand in this beautiful paradise where we get to do yoga every day. We get to do training and meditation and really move our bodies and shift the mindset that is going to help us create better vitality, better energy and better connections as well.
Well, being a very busy mom and engineer and doing a lot of training, I was time poor and very, very stressed, so I just wanted to learn to relax and just be.
I love working with women and helping them achieve a healthy mindset and through that a healthy body and get sustainable results that they deserve and that they love.
Nik is just a beautiful soul. She was there for me through some hard times during this retreat and she has actually really helped me to reconnect. She's just a beautiful person and I look forward to working with her and her next retreat.
Meet such amazing people, to spend time with Nik, to really take on board so much amazing information and learnings and love that I can take home with me, and it's just given me such a positive aspect of where I'm going to go from here. It's great.
If you want a kickstart and if you want to experience real connections and real health and really embody health, wellness, yoga, mindfulness, meditation, the things that are really going to help you get the results you want, come join me on the next retreat and find me at theleanbodycoach.com.